Hello, my name is Wayne. I am a tuber. That is, I create videos and post them to YouTube. I've been doing it almost exactly 6 months now. In a week or two, it will be exactly a year since my fervent imagination had an idea hit it. Hey, I can post videos to YouTube too. I mean, look at that guy, that guy. I could do that. So I started researching, you know, and I saw one guy I really want to emulate. There's no way. I don't have his shop. That's it. I don't have his shop. His machinery, his tools. So. But then I see guys that, oh, I can do anything better than that guy. you know? Okay, now, why do you want to post videos to YouTube? If it's just so you could have that warm fuzzy right here, or whatever 2 or 3 words you throw together to describe happiness for you, whatever floats your boat, baby cakes. Do it because you enjoy making the video. You're doing something you enjoy, you're videoing it, you're sharing it with other people. Anything beyond that, oh, I'll get rich. I'm the funniest thing on YouTube. My content in the shop is totally unique. No, sorry. You look at this guy and say, oh, well, look at him. He's got over 100,000 subscribers, and all he does is work. Talk about it. Every once in a while, show some tools he just got. He's been doing it for 10 years. And for some reason, people seem to think he is really good. I know the guy I'm talking about, he is freaking good. We're lucky he's sharing his work with us. There's that. So you say, well, I'll befriend one of the biggies. They're too busy to notice anyone. They gotta shoot. They gotta edit. Post-production. Maybe they have to transfer from one computer to another. That's double the time already. Then there's uploading. That takes a long time. Then they have to come up with an idea for something for next video. Oh, well, I'll just do anything. Look. See, I'll wiggle my toes. That's a viral video. Ain't happening. You have to have something that someone wants to see. And don't be me tooing. YouTube's full of little girls unboxing the newest baby shit and scream. And there's more than enough people who keeping bugs in the house as pets. Don't need no more of them. 1 or 2 videos on how to get rid of bugs. My personal favorite for ants is I spray canola oil cooking spray on them. Like that. Dead. A little bit more of the colony walks into it, they die. Leave there an hour or 2. Then you can come by. Wipe away the dead ants and most of the oil. course, you know, you go to bed, you get up in the morning, they're coming from a whole new different direction. There ain't no keeping the house clean enough so you don't have ants. Especially when you live between three major ant civilizations. We got the little itty bitty black ones over here. The ones that, you know, they wade into a yellow jacket nest and they start carrying out dead yellow jackets, eggs. You know, one of these little black ants meets a fire ant. Next thing you know where the fire ant colony is because the little black ants are carrying dead fire ants. Yeah, and we got these big ants, you know, and they all want to come through your house when they throw a princess out. Say, hey, time to leave. You're going to behave like that? Get out of my house. They all got to come through the house. And their boyfriends following behind them and all their little sisters, you know. And good old canola oil cooking spray. Oh. But when a colony sends out 17 different queenie lathes, yeah. And they all want to come through, stop in the kitchen sink for water, then keep on going. And that's that. You know, they're looking for water, a little bit of food. I've noticed that the ones we get in here are the little black grease eaters. They don't care about no sugar. But that tiniest little bit of grease, and they're all over it. And you got a 16-lane super freeway of ants.
That would have been the perfect question on me on Family Feud. Just help yourself. Oh.
Hey, this is I Can Be a YouTube Poster Part 2. I was talking about, you know, all you need is a webcam, an internet connection, and some time. Excuse me. The tube's full of that. I mean, people who put even more thought in it than they do. I mean, even as much as I do. I mean, I've only got 15 subscribers. I'm in a very small niche. And no one's looking. But if you work in what you like doing, it doesn't matter that you're in a small niche. Remember, you're doing it for the warm fuzzy. Anything else that comes along, great. Don't count on it. But if I get known by the other posters, yeah, they're busy. When do they have time to watch you? Yeah, when do they have time to watch you? They're busy with their own content. Plus they gotta eat, sleep, crap, and there's that thing called the day job for the ones that still have a day job. Well, I can make it my job. Yeah, okay. Let me know when you're on welfare, because you ain't going to be making no money off YouTube. So enjoy. Get on your soapbox. But be very careful. No politics. No hate speak. Avoid religion. You know, great way to get yourself kicked off is I believe this. We all know that you are gonna. It won't fly. As for children, they shouldn't even exist to be videoed. Don't video them. Because that causes so much problems. One tuber, he's got a successful channel. He's in technology. His little girl has her own channel. And he's got comments for her channel disabled. Because the sick minds out there don't inflict that on your kid. Yeah, I got 47 kids. You ain't gonna see none of them. Trust me. Try and be unique. A little bit of humor doesn't hurt, but it should be organic. You know, fit in with what you're doing. Good luck. Let me know how you do with your channel. I'm having fun.